Dear student, in this video, we are going to learn a new topic, area. Practice set 15.1. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it today itself. Let's learn. Now, we are going to learn about parallelogram and area of a parallelogram. What is a parallelogram and what is formula for area of parallelogram? So, parallelogram is a quadrilateral having both the pair of opposite sides parallel. Okay, it is a quadrilateral having both the pair of opposite sides parallel. So you can see over here we have a quadrilateral, ABCD, right? Here we have a quadrilateral ABCD, and you can see that in this quadrilateral opposite sides are parallel. Okay, you can see here side AB, right? You can see here side AB in this figure and side DC are parallel to each other. Okay, that means one pair of opposite sides parallel, and even you can see the other pair of opposite sides are also parallel, that is side AD, right, side AD and side BC, they are also parallel to each other. So both the pair of opposite sides of the quadrilaterals are parallel, hence it is called as parallelogram. Now we are going to see that formula for area of parallelogram. Okay, now we are going to draw over here height of a parallelogram. Okay, so we are going to make perpendicular from vertex of this parallelogram to its opposite sides. For example, I take A as a vertex and I will make a perpendicular from A to opposite side DC. Okay, you can see over here I am making perpendicular from A to side DC and will name this perpendicular segment as AM. So in this figure, seg AM is the height. Okay, AM, seg AM is the height of a parallelogram, and side DC, you can see in this figure, side DC is the base. So sec DC is the base of a parallelogram ABCD, and area of a parallelogram is base into height. Okay, area of a parallelogram is base into height. It is a formula for area of a parallelogram. Okay, so therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to, what is the base? DC. DC is the base of quadrilateral ABCD, and what is the height? It's AM. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is DC into AM. Suppose DC, the length of DC is 8 centimeter. Okay, and the height of this parallelogram is 2 centimeter. So what would be the area of this parallelogram? So at the place of DC, we will write 8 centimeter, right? We will write here 8 centimeter, and at the place of height, that is AM, we'll write 2 centimeter. So 8 into 2 is 16, and centimeter into centimeter, can you see here? Centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter raised to 2. Okay, so area of quadrilateral ABCD is 16 square centimeter. Okay, so what is the formula for area of parallelogram? Base into height. So question number 1 of practice set 5.1. A base of parallelogram is 18 centimeter and its height is 11 centimeter. Find its area. So let's see the solution of this question. So first we will write given part of this question, right? Known data. So what I know the base of a parallelogram. How much is given base? 18 centimeter, right? And what else is given? Height equals to 11 centimeter. And what we have to find out? What we have to find out? Area. So to find area, area of a parallelogram, right? Area of parallelogram. Now let's see the solution of this question. So here we have a formula for finding area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equals to base into height. Okay, it is a formula base into height. Correct? So at the place of base, we can write 18 centimeter, and at the place of height, we will write 11 centimeter. Now we are going to multiply 18 with 11, you will get 198, and centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter raised to 2. That is 198 square centimeter. So what is the area of a parallelogram over here? So the area of a parallelogram is 198 square centimeter. Now here we have the next question. Area of a parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter. Its base is 8 centimeter. Find the height of a parallelogram. So let's see the solution of this question. So first we will write the given part of this question. Okay, what is given? Area of a parallelogram is given. Area of parallelogram. How much it is given? 29.6 square centimeter. Now what else is given in this? Base. Base of a parallelogram. How much it is given? 8 centimeter. And to find, what we have to find out in this question? We have to find out height of the parallelogram. Correct? Now we will go for the solution. Okay, so in this question, area of a parallelogram is given. So definitely we are going to use formula for area of a parallelogram. So area equals to base into height. Okay, area of a parallelogram is base into height. Correct? It is a formula. Now what we are going to do here, at the place of area, we will write 29.6, right? Here we'll write 29.6 equals to base, it is 8 centimeter into height. Okay, height is unknown, so we'll copy as it is. Now what we are going to do here to solve it further, we have to shift this 8 to the side, and you can see that 8, it is in the form of multiplication, right? It is in the form of multiplication, and opposite of multiplication is division, right? So if I'll shift 8 to that side of equal to, so what we will get? We will get 29.6 divided by 8. Okay, opposite of multiplication is division, so divided by 8 equals to height. Now we have to divide 29.6 by 8. So let's see how to divide 29.6 by 8. So here we'll write 29.6 and I'm going to divide it by 8. So 8 3s is 24, correct? 29 minus 24 gives us 5. Now we have to copy the next digit, that is 6, but before the digit 6 there is a decimal, so we need to put decimal, okay, in the quotient, and we'll take down 6. 8 7s is 56. So if you divide 29.6 by 8, you'll get 3.7 centimeter. So the height of a parallelogram is 3.7 centimeter. Question number 3. Area of a parallelogram is 83.2 centimeter and height is 6.4 centimeter. Find the length of its base. Let's see the solution of this question. So first we'll make a note of given part of this question. So what is given in this? Area of a parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram given in this? You can see that it is given 83.2 square centimeter. And what is given? Height. Height equals to 6.4 centimeter. And what we have to find out? To find us length of the base of a parallelogram. Okay, now we'll go for solution of this question. So solution of this question. To find out the base, we have to use formula for area of parallelogram. Okay, as area of parallelogram is given, so definitely we have to begin this answer with the formula of area of parallelogram. So area equals to base into height. Okay, it is a formula. Now at the place of area, we will write 83.2 and base we will write as it is, and at the place of height we will write 6.4 centimeter. Now what is our next step? We have to shift 6.4 to the side of equal to. If I'll shift 6.4 to that side of equal to, what will happen? It will become in the form of division. So we will get 83.2 upon 6.4 equals to base. Right? Now you can see that both the numbers are in the form of decimal. So we are going to remove the decimal, okay, to make it easy calculation. So you can see after the decimal there is one digit, right? That's why we need to multiply it by 10. Okay, as there is one digit after decimal, so we required 10. That's why we are multiplying by 10. So 83.2 into 10 upon 6.4 into 10. Okay, if you are multiplying numerator with the 10, so in the same you have to change the denominator also by multiplying by the 10. So same type of change you need to do with the numerator as well as denominator. So 83.2 into 10, okay, 83.2 into 10 gives us 832.0, okay, 832.0, which you can write as 832. Similarly, 6.4 into 10 gives us 64.0, which you can write as 64 equals to base. Now we'll go for the simplest form of this fraction. Okay, you can divide it by 2 also, by 4 also, by 8 also, okay, by 16 also. Okay, so I will be dividing by 8. Okay, 8 8 is 64, and when you divide 832 by 8, you will get 108. Now I can divide this by 2 to 4 and here we will get 254. Now I can divide 4 ones and 4 13s. So after the cancellation we will get 13, right? So the base of a parallelogram is 13 centimeter. Okay, so this way we can find base of a parallelogram. So it's very simple, just you should know the formula for area of parallelogram.